How to find Stripe's secret API key for N10. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Stripe API key or secret API key to connect with N10. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is create an account on your Stripe. So this is a dashboard of Stripe now. If you see in the top bottom right left corner, you will find this developer option. Just simply click on it, and from there you have to find the APIs and keys. Just simply click on this API key. It will take you to this page where you will get publish key, a public key, and then a secret key. So as you can see here, now just copy this and go back to your editor. So as you can see, I have already created a I already connected Stripe with N10. Now what you have to do for the new user, just simply click on this create new credential. Now as you can see, you have to paste that secret key over here. Now then click on this save button and it will test, and we have successfully connected with Stripe. Now I have chosen this node which basically create customer. Now click on it and let's execute this node again. Now let me delete this to just show you. Now click on this, search for Stripe, click on this Stripe. Now these are all actions. Now click on this create customer. So it will create customer in your account. Now then you can add name, or you can add dynamic expression over here as well. Now this is test. I will add. Now if you want to add additional fields, you can add like address, description, email address, and so on and so forth. Now let's execute step and see if it is connected or not. Just execute, and as you can see, this node has been executed successfully. Let's see if we have a customer added in your Stripe. Now as you can see, the customer has been added. So this is how you can connect your Stripe account to N10 to make automated payment workflows. You can seamlessly accept payment on platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or custom coded website. And also you can recurring plans, trials, and used based billing as well. And you can do a lot of things. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.